everyone, it's Gagajoy, Gagajoy's Cooking. Today we're going to be making chili and hot dogs. This is my son's recipe and he wanted to share it. And he starts off with ground chuck. I think everybody has their own chili recipe. And he adds a V8, a small V8, so it'll break up better. The meat breaks up better if it's moist. It just, I don't know why it does, but I do it the same thing. It just breaks your hamburger up into smaller pieces. Well, you can see it's cooked down. It's cooked pretty good. Now I'm going to add everything to it. He peels his tomatoes and puts them in his chili. He puts 3 tablespoons of ketchup, or 1/3 cup. A tablespoon of sugar. A squirt of mustard. Well, it's a tablespoon of garlic, but that won't go, so I'll just do this.
Whoa.
A tablespoon of garlic. And these are just minced onions, a tablespoon of minced onions. And who could get along without chili with McCormick? I use McCormick in everything. I started saying McDonald. It's McCormick. Does that smell good? Now I'm going to set this over here on low. And we're going to do our wieners and our buns. You ever get these buns that look, that you toast both sides? They're just called New England style. And you toast them. Put a little butter on each side. And there you go. It doesn't take very much butter, just barely a tip of butter. They get so good inside. Okay, we'll give that a try and see how that goes. Put our ketchup mustard back up here. There are days that I just want to have a hot dog so bad. And then you got your chili that's usually enough that you can put it in the freezer. And just get it out real quick. See how those are browning? this is not my kind of weenies, but my son and my children love the red weenies. So, you're allowed to buy any weenie you want to when you go to the grocery store. That's one of the rules. If you pay, you can get any weenie you want to. Well, I'm going to assemble my buns now. Get one of my weenies, or wieners, whichever you call it. Not everybody, some people call them hot dogs at the beginning. Put a little bit of mustard. And our chili. Ooh, does that smell good? My. And something you can put coleslaw or cheese or just onions, anything you want to. When you got your hot dogs, put any condiment you want. Look how pretty they look. And look at those buns, how they turned out. Well, as usual, it's a meal for one. So, I'm glad this is my son's recipe, and I'm glad he wanted to share it with you, and I'm glad we did. Be sure and subscribe and ring that bell. Remember the joy, and we'll see you soon.